everybody. Lorraine here. Thanks for coming and visiting with me today. I have a 12 by 12 inch canvas and I would like to do a cloud pour. I haven't done one in quite a long time. So what I have is I'm using my Glidden house paint, and this is mixed 50% house paint, 50% Floetrol, and then I added about 2 tablespoons of the Americana Deco Art Satin Enamel to it. And that gives it a cloudy effect. When you pour it out, you get some nice little clouds that happen around your colors. Colors that I want to use today are violet, cadmium yellow light, turquoise, Quinacridone magenta, and then the cloud paint. I'm going to put a thin layer of white paint mixed with 50% Floetrol on my canvas just to help it spread. And then I'm going to layer my cup and do a straight pour. Okay. So I'm going to start my cup with a little bit of white. This is my cloud mixture. Don't want very much in the bottom. Going on some violet. Hope I have enough mixed here for a couple of layers. Put a tiny bit of the cloud mixture between each color. Put some yellow. Notice that the cadmium yellow light hue also helps make some cells. Layer in a tiny bit of that. Magenta. Ooh, the magenta's getting low. Put that on its side. Turquoise. Go around again here. I think that's enough. Get this all situated. Get you in the center there. And what I would like to do is start like this, and then I want to turn like this. So here we go. Sorry, I'm quiet. I'm concentrating on that center. If I don't, then my hand wobbles and it comes out really crazy. Okay. Take a look at that. Turned out really pretty. Really pretty. I'm going to give it a little bit of a torch. The air bubbles out. Okay, I really like this right here. Some beautiful blending of colors. So I don't want to lose too much of that. Decide which way I want to go first. I think I'm going to go this way first. Tilt it off. Bring it slowly straight down to that side. Get it to the corner. Bring it back. Okay. Bring it down to this corner here. That yellow's really taken over. Haven't had very good luck with yellow lately. Okay, let's see what I can do about bringing this down really slow. Get a bare spot on my canvas. Just gonna scoop up some paint because it's gonna go anyways. And there we go. I want to stretch out that corner. It's got some really, really pretty color combinations happening. Okay. Bring my center down. See what I have going on. A lot of green going on. Really cool looking purple center. Try and get rid of some of that yellow. Bring it up this way. Magenta seemed to disappear mostly. Okay. And bring it down this way just a little bit towards this corner. Because it kind of got a little bit muddy down in this corner. I thought we were going to have some really nice cells coming up with multicolors, but it muddied just a little bit. And I'm going to see what I can do about stretching the purple part out just a little bit. So I'm going to try and Drag it down that way. It's not moving very quickly. There's not a lot of paint left. Okay, I think my paint is right about there. Try and stretch it a bit. Get that to open up a little bit. A little bit different effect with that house paint. A little more speckly looking in the center. Bring that weight of that paint down that way a little bit. Okay, get rid of a lot of that yellow. I like that much better. Much better. Back. See what kind of direction. Maybe like this. I think I kind of like that. And you can see it clouding up. See those effects happening? I'm just stretching a little. Okay. I think that's right where I want it. Let this develop a little bit. There's some really pretty little cells in here that have multicolors. Some pretty ones up here with multicolors. So I'm going to let it develop for a little while and I'll come back and give you a look. See you in a minute. Alright guys, I let this sit for about 15 minutes or so while I did some cleaning up. Let's get some really pretty clouds going on in here, some little tiny cells that have multiple colors in them. You pick it up. I'll give you a close-up. That corner kind of looks like the sun coming in. A little bit of a galaxy looking painting. If you look real close, look up in here. See those tiny little cells within cells? Pretty little clouds in here. The center. It's very pretty. I'm very happy with the way this one turned out. So thanks for visiting with me, guys. I appreciate it. I hope you subscribe, like, share. Hit the thumbs up button for me. And I will see you next time. Bye.